Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Lalita Aditya. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Ashi Didla. Moksha from 10B. Sudharani. Sudharani. Neha. Yes. Good morning. We are discussing similarity of triangles in the class yesterday. Just I am going to continue that. Just recalling, two figures are said to be similar. They must satisfy three conditions. First one is they must have same shape. And second condition, again two are there in this. In second condition, there are two. One is same angles and sides are proportional. If two figures satisfying these three conditions, we can say that they are similar. They must have same shape. They must have same shape. That means we can compare the similarity between any two triangles. Not only two or more figures. Two ani ankomagandi. Two or more figures are said to be similar. They must have same shape. Second one, same angles, means angles in one figure respectively equal to corresponding angles in the second figure. Okay na? They must have equal angles. If you consider a triangle, two triangles, the three angles of one triangle are respectively equal to corresponding three angles of another triangle. It should be like that. The three angles of one triangle should be equal to three angles of another triangle. Next, sides are proportional. First you should know about this word, proportional. Proportion means two or more ratios. If they are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion. Two or more ratios, if they are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion. For example, A is to B, C is to D, E is to F. If these three ratios are equal, the ratios are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion. Okay na? So here, when we consider two triangles, since they are triangles, shape is same. And true angles, they must have equal angles. Both the triangles must have equal angles. And sides must be in the same ratio. The lengths of the sides must be in the same ratio, corresponding sides. Okay, na? This is what we have to understand. So ఇక్కడ షేప్ అనే దాన్ని ఒకసారి అర్థం చేసుకుంటే, suppose if I consider a triangle and a circle, can I compare the similarity between these two? Can I say a triangle and a circle are similar to each other? You know, చెప్పొచ్చు అట్లాగా? Can I say like that? No, because they don't have same shape. అంటే ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఏ సాటిస్ఫై కాలేదు, కండిషన్ 1 ఏ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వలేదు. Then how can we say that they are similar? Because they don't have same shape, so we cannot compare the similarity between them. Okay, so real life లో ఈ సిమిలారిటీ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తాం? రియల్ లైఫ్ లో అంటే జనరల్ గా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I want to apply, or one of you want to apply math Olympiads or some other test outside the school. So what they'll ask to you to fill in a application, and you need to stick a passport size photograph of yours on that. So వెంటనే నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు? You will go to your photo studio and you will take your passport size photograph. Then, and even you will ask the photographer that give me 2 passport size photographs, and for the same photo you will ask 1 postcard size photograph also. Passport size ఎంత ఉంటుందా? ఎంత ఉంటుంది ఇంత. అదే పోస్ట్ కార్డ్ సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది నీ ఫోటోనే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది నీ ఫోటోనే. Then what relation that both the photos will have? What relation that both the photographs will have? Passport size, your photo only, and then the postcard size also the same photograph. He will print and he will give it to you. Is that right? Then what relation exists between those 2 photographs? Yes, they'll have same shape but different sizes. Is that right? Same photograph, the shop owner, or what we call it as a photographer, he will print the same photograph on 2 different sizes. Same photograph on different sizes, with different sizes. Okay na? So we can call them as similar figures. Understand? They are similar. అలాగే మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా మొన్న కల్కి సినిమాకి వెళ్ళారు కదా? How many of you saw Kalki movie? How many of you saw Kalki movie, right? Who is this Karthik 69? Yes, I saw, sir. Okay, good. Have you seen big banners outside the theater? Have you seen big banners of Prabhas outside the theater? 40 feet, 50 feet, 60 feet, big cutouts. I think we can see it outside the theater. How that much photographs are taken? Prabhas ఎన్ని అడుగులు ఉంటాడా? What is the height of Prabhas? Maybe 6.2 feet untada. But how is possible that a 40 feet or 50 feet cutout was kept over there? How it is possible? What undede 6.2. Even we can take a passport size photograph of Prabhas also. Passport size photograph తీసుకోవచ్చు. 40 feet, 100 feet cutout కూడా పెట్టచ్చు Prabhas ది. Same photo, of same photo. How it is possible? Okay na? They printed it, yes, by changing the ratios. Ratio of the photograph, ratio of the parts of the photograph. That is the application of similarity concept. They'll increase the size of the photograph with the different ratios. They'll increase the size of the photograph with different ratios. So that is a perfect example in our real life that we can see the similarity in real life. Changing the ratios, yes, or increasing the ratios. If we increase the ratios, we'll get a big pictures, big cutouts. If we decrease the ratios, we'll get passport size, even stamp size photograph also we'll get. Stamp size. Okay na? మనం ఉన్నాం, suppose I am 5.6 feet height, but I can get my passport size photograph, even my stamp size photograph. Okay na? So it is all happening because of similarity concept. Okay na? Now, so according to the definition of similarity, I am considering two squares of 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters. One square is of, I am naming it as ABCD, the other square PQRS. Can I say these two squares are similar? Are they satisfying all the three conditions? ABCD is a square, PQR is also a square. This is of 5 centimeters, this is of 8 centimeters. Okay. Can I say these two squares are similar? Are they similar? Are they satisfying all the three conditions? Are they satisfying all the three conditions? Yes, they are satisfying. First condition, they must have same shape. Both are squares, same shape. Second condition, they must have same angles. They must have same angles. Yes, each angle of both the squares are 90. They have same angles. And third condition, they must, means corresponding sides ratios are equal. Corresponding sides ratios are equal. See here, AB by PQ, BC by QR, CD by RS, AD by TS. Tell the ratios, children. What is AB by PQ? What is AB by PQ? Why? 5 by 8, because AB 5 centimeters, PQ 8 centimeters. AB by PQ 5 by 8. BC by QR? BC by QR 5 by 8 only. This is also 5 by 8. This is also 5 by 8. 5 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 8. Okay. Because side square, if one side is 5, the remaining sides also 5. If one side is 8 centimeters, means big square, means PQRS, its side is 8 centimeters. So remaining sides also 8 centimeters. So all the ratios are equal, corresponding sides ratios equal, and both the squares are having same angles and they have same shape. Okay na? Now, in general, what can we give a statement? In general, what statement can we give about squares? In general, can we generalize the statement? All sides are equal. That's generalized statement. It is 3. Can I say any two squares are always similar to each other? Any two, all squares are similar to each other, right? Or if you consider any two squares, they are similar to each other. They are similar to each other. Good. Now, I will consider two rectangles. One is ABCD, the other one is X, Y, Z, W. Four centimeters, 6 centimeters. This is of 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Can I say these two rectangles are similar? Can I say these two rectangles are similar? These two, what I wrote on the board, are they similar? Means we need to look about, or we need to think about both all the three conditions, whether it satisfies or not. First condition, they must have same shape. Yes, they are having same shape. Both are rectangles. Same shape, both are rectangles only. Now, same angles, yes, all the angles in the rectangle 90 degrees. But if we observe the ratio of sides, they are not equal. 4 by 10, 6 by 5, 4 by 10, 6 by 5. The ratios are not equal. Ratios are not equal. So these two rectangles are not similar. These two rectangles are not similar. But we can't give a statement that two rectangles are always not similar. We cannot give a statement like that. Why? Observe here. Observe here. Now see the ratios. Now see the ratios. Are these two rectangles are similar now? Are they similar now? Yes. Yes. So two squares, any two squares are always similar, but two rectangles, they may be similar or may not be similar. Okay na? You cannot say that two rectangles are always similar, or you cannot say that two rectangles are not similar. Any two rectangles given to us, they may be similar or may not be similar. There is a possibility. There is a possibility over here. They may be similar, they may not be similar. But In case of squares, two squares are always similar. Okay, na? Now, children, think about two rhombus. Think about rhombus. If I take two rhombuses, can I say they are similar? Think about two. Think about rhombus. Can I say they are similar to each other? Yes. Mahesh. Mahesh means I think Anish. Anish, tell me why. How can you say that two rhombus are always similar? May or may not. May or may not. That is right answer. May or may not. You cannot say no. You cannot say yes. Depends upon the ratios are always similar, Nana. Tammina Akila. Ratios are always similar. Rhombus and AD. Rhombus and AD. ABCD. 5 centimeters, 5, 5, 5. And another rhombus. A small one I will take. PQRS. 3, 3, 3. Same shape and sides ratios equal. Can I say they are similar? Then we need to see whether they are having same angles or not. Whether they have same angles or not. If they have same angles also, they are similar. Otherwise, not similar. So that's why they might have same angles or different angles. Very good, Lohitaksh. Very good. It depends upon the angles. Good, good. So you cannot say that two rhombuses are always similar. Or you cannot say that they are not similar. May or may not. Okay, na? If I consider two equilateral triangles, can I say two equilateral triangles are always similar? Two equilateral triangles are always similar. If I say a statement like this, is that a true statement or a false statement? Two equilateral triangles are always similar. This is my statement. And what about you? Yeah, Moksha, tell me what is the reason? Will they satisfy all the three conditions? Will they satisfy all the conditions? All the three conditions? They have equal angles, sides ratios are equal, they'll have same shape, same angles, they'll satisfy all the three conditions. So two equilateral triangles are always similar. Two squares are always similar. Now, can anyone say a generalized statement regarding polygons like equilateral triangles and squares? All equilateral triangles have same angles, same shape, proportional sides. Good. Nu vinnava? Malli osari cheppana statement. Equilateral triangle, square, VTV, రెండింటిని మనం ఏమంటాం? They have a special name. What we call them? Anyone? Equilateral triangle and square. They have a special name. What we call them as? Polygons are always similar. Itisri Devu. Itisri Devu. Polygons అంటారు వాటిని. పాలిగన్సే. పాలిగన్స్కి ఇంకో స్పెషల్ నేమ్ ఉంది వాటికి మళ్ళీ. Polygons. They are polygons only. Regular polygons. Tejal and Harsh Jawar told they are regular polygons. Regular. Shyam, they are equilateral triangle and square. They are called as regular polygons. Regular polygons. So, any two regular polygons having same shape are similar. Any two regular polygons having same shape are always similar. Two regular pentagons, two regular hexagons, two regular octagons, two regular nonagons, whatever it may be. They are always similar. Take it granted. Two regular polygons are having same shape. Regular antene Bandaru, Rutvik Bandaru. Say the definition of regular polygon. What is the definition of regular polygon? Regular polygon antene having same shape, having equal angles and equal sides kada. Malli mention cheyala. A polygon is said to be regular if it have same angles and same sides, na? Equal angles and equal sides. Okay. So, malla regular polygon anna tarvata రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగన్ అన్న తర్వాత మళ్ళీ సేమ్ సైడ్స్ ఉండాలి, సేమ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉండాలని అక్కర్లేదు. ఓకేనా? సో టూ రెగ్యులర్ పాలిగన్స్ హ్యావింగ్ సేమ్ షేప్ are always similar. This is what we have to understand. So next concept I am going to explain is basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. This is the only theorem in this chapter. You have to learn the proof also. Okay na? Basic proportionality theorem unde, దీనికి ప్రూఫ్ కూడా మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. You will get it in the exam. You have to know it. You have to learn the proof also for basic proportionality theorem. But today what I will do is I will try to understand the statement of the theorem. Proof I will tell you tomorrow in the class. Because in our class there are total 42 students. Only 25 are present today. 25. I don't know what they are doing at home and what the parents are doing at home. I don't know. 17 students are absent. And out of this, how many 10B students are joined? How many 10B students are joined? I think I saw two students. One is Moksha, the other one is Lohitaksh. So for today, I will make you understand. Gopal Naidu. Okay. Two are there. Lohitaksh is also there, no? He left. Okay. 3 are there. So 25 minus 3, 22. And one is with my daughter's email ID. That is also we have to take out. Only 21 students are joined from 10A out of 42. So half of the students are missing the class. Excellent. Okay. So I'll try to make understand about the basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. Why it is known as Thales theorem? Because Thales was the mathematician who gave the proof for this statement. Okay na? Right. Mari, it is also known as basic proportionality theorem. Right. What the statement says. ఎందుకంటే problem solving, we have one exercise on this theorem, basing on this theorem. One whole exercise is there in the NCERT. By using this theorem, we need to solve the problems. Okay. So what the statement says, there is a triangle ABC and there is a line L intersecting two sides of the triangle at distinct points, not only intersecting two sides, it is also parallel to third side. It is also parallel to third side. Once again, listen carefully. There is a triangle ABC and there is a line L which is intersecting two sides of the triangle at D and E. Not only that, line L not only intersecting AB and AC, it is parallel to the third side BC. It is parallel to the third side BC. Okay. Then, if it happens so, ala jarigite, ala unte, if it happens so, then the line L divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is what basic proportionality theorem says. Once again, I am repeating the statement. In triangle ABC, if a line is drawn intersecting two sides of the triangle at distinct points, not only that, it is drawn parallel to the third side also, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay na? A statement which starts with if and then in the middle, what we call such statements, right? సరే కాసేపు ఈ థియరం పక్కన పెట్టేయండి, ఇంగ్లీష్లోకి రండి ఒకసారి. ఇంగ్లీష్లోకి రండి. అందరికీ ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగా వచ్చు కదా, ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వెరీ వెల్, గ్రామర్ and all. A statement starts with F, then in the middle and ends. Then what we call such statements? Yes, very good. Conditional statements. Good. Conditional. అంటే కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అంటే అర్థం ఏమిటి? ఎవరన్నా చెప్పండి. What is the meaning of conditional statement? Conditional statement means in that statement, to satisfy something or to happen something, there is a condition. Or to get a result, if the condition is true, then only we will get the result. Or if the condition is satisfied, then only we will get the result. Is that right? If the condition is, here we will have a condition, here we have a condition, and here we will have a result. We will get this result only when, if we satisfy this condition, only when this condition is satisfied. Is that right? We will get the result. The result is, here the result is AD by DB equals to AE by EC. This is the result. Okay. Now what is the condition? In triangle ABC, if L parallel to BC and it intersects AB at D, intersects AB at D, AC at E. This is the condition. If this condition is satisfied, we will get this result. This is what you have to understand. That is the statement. Is that understood, children? If you say yes, then I will go forward. Once again, I am repeating the statement. In triangle ABC, if a line L is drawn parallel to BC, intersecting AB at D, AC at E, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is basic proportionality theorem. ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితేనే ఇది అవుతుంది. అయితే సార్ why is it necessary to draw a line always parallel to BC అనేది మటుకు చూడండి. I am drawing a triangle ABC and there is a line L parallel to AB intersecting AC at P, BC at Q. ఇలా కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. Then what is the result here? CQ by QB equal to CP by BA. Here in this case. Now, one more case you can observe. There is a triangle ABC. A line L is drawn parallel to AC, intersecting BC at X, AB at Y. Then, according to basic proportionality theorem, BX by XC equal to BY by YA. Try to observe these three cases. So, నీ line అనేది, your line, it may be either to parallel to BC or either parallel to AB or either parallel to AC. You can take this one in any way. But if a line, so generalized statement ఏమిటి? If a line is drawn parallel to one side, intersecting the other two sides at distinct points, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersecting the other two sides at distinct points, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay na? Now what is the converse of this statement? Can anyone say? What is the converse of this statement? Converse. Anyone? Converse of this statement. I think you know it. If a line is drawn meeting any distinct points, meeting any distinct points of triangle ఏంటి? Anyone? సింపుల్ గా చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ నేను ఇఫ్ దెన్ రాసాగా, ఇక్కడ ఏమిటి ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ ఏమిటి ఉండాలి? గుడ్. ఇఫ్ AD by DB equal to AE by EC, then is parallel.
Then prove that it is parallel to.
If a line is drawn, మీకు సింపుల్ గా అర్థం కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి రావాలి? AD by DB రావాలి equal to AE by EC. If this was happened, then the result is L parallel to BC. L or D, whatever it may be, because D and E are the points on L only, na? That is the converse statement. Okay? If a line divides two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to third side. That's all. Simple. If a line divides two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to third side. So here L divides AB and AC in the ratio AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Since it is dividing in the equal ratios, it is parallel to third side. Okay na? Now we will observe some problems. Okay, we will observe some problems. First problem, these two are parallel. This is 1.5, this is 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, and you need to find out this one. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Can we apply basic proportionality theorem here? Children, can we apply basic proportionality theorem here? Is the condition is satisfied? Is the condition is satisfied? Yes, line L intersecting two sides at distinct points and moreover L is parallel to BC. Condition is satisfied. Then we can apply basic proportionality theorem. Here the condition applied. L is parallel to BC. So then by BPT, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. 1.5 by 3 equal to 1 by x. 1.5 by 3 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by x. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now second problem. This is 7.2, 1.8, 5.4. You need to find out this. Past. What is x? We can apply BPT over here because L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. We can apply basic proportionality. .49 మోక్ష అదెట్లా 2.49 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది Oh, Amulya joined now only. Or you are there from the beginning. I didn't see your answers. Kriti, you are there in the class? Kriti? Okay. 2 decimals. Why 2 decimals, Ramoksha? They are exactly divisible, eh? Exactly divisible. X by 7 by 2, 1.8 by 5.4, 1 time 3 times, 3x is 7.2, x is 7.2 by 3, how much? .4. X is 2.4. Alright. Yes, BPT only. I want x value. The line L intersecting two sides AC and BC at P and Q. Moreover, it is parallel to AB. Can we apply BPT here? Children, can we apply BPT here? Okay. Then apply and find the value. Find x. x4 है. Sure. Find x. x4, sure. Let me verify. 5 by 2.5 is equal to 12 minus x by x. This is 12 minus x, na? 12 minus x by x. 5x is equal to 2.5 into 12 minus x. 5x is equal to 12.5 into 2.5 into 12 ante 30 minus 2.5x. 7.5x is 20. Then what is x? 30 by 7.5. 30 by 7.5, how much? 4 centimeters. Very good. 7.5 into 4, 30 centimeters. Okay, na? Good. I had a doubt, small doubt. There is a triangle ABC and there is a line L parallel to BC. Can I say the line L intersecting two sides of the triangle now? Can I say the line L intersecting two sides of the triangle? Can I say here? జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచించి సమాధానం చెప్పండి. Everyone say no. 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 It is meeting meeting ki intersecting ki teda undi. It is intersecting the vertex A. Now you tell me, Lohitaksh, A is a point on AB. Is that right? A is a point on side AB. Is that right? And A is a point on side AC also. That means A is the common point of both the sides AB and AC. So if a line is passing through A, that means it is intersecting both the sides, na? Line L is passing through A, and moreover A lies on AB as well as on AC. That means A is intersecting both the sides. Is that right? L is intersecting both. But at one point only. The line L intersecting both the sides of the triangle at one point. కానీ మనకి బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థియరం అప్లై చేయాలంటే it should intersect two sides at distinct points, not at the same point. అర్థమవుతుందా? In order to apply basic proportionality theorem, we need to draw a line L intersecting two sides of the triangle, not at one point, at 2 points. At 2 points. Understand? Or at distinct points. అందుకనే ఇందాక నుంచి డెఫినిషన్ లో నేను if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersecting the other two sides at distinct points అనే మాట చెప్తున్నాను. I am saying that one. At distinct points. That is very, very important. Okay na? Now you tell me, there is a triangle PQR D parallel to D intersecting PQ at D, PR at E. This is 3.9, 3, 3.6, 2.4. Can I say DE parallel to BC? Can I say DE parallel to BC? మీకు ఇంకా బాగా అర్థం కావాలంటే ఐ మేక్ దిస్ వన్ యాజ్ 1.3 అంటాను, దీన్ని నేను 1.2 అంటాను. ఓకే, నౌ సి కెన్ ఐ సే DE parallel to QR? Not previous one, this one. Ratios not equal, eh? Now Moksha, now. Yeah, previous values it is not parallel. Now are they parallel? DE and Q are parallel or not? Yes, because PD by DQ 3.9 by 1.3, which is 3 by 1. PE by ER 3.6 by 1.2, which is 3 by 1. Ratios are equal. Ratios are equal. So according to converse statement, converse of BPT, DE parallel to QR. DE parallel to QR. Okay, na? So we'll see exercise problems in the class tomorrow. So with this I am going to conclude my class today. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ క్లాస్ లైక్ చేస్తుంటే లైక్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళందరూ లైక్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, లేకపోతే చక్కగా హాయిగా ఉత్సాహంగా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోండి. అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ ద డే టుడే. మహాగణాధిపతి. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ క్లాస్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద లైక్ బటన్. అప్పుడు ఇంకొంతమందికి షేర్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ బటన్ నొక్కితే అంటే చాలామందికి షేర్ అవుతుంటుంది. యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్, అదర్వైజ్ నో నీడ్. 26, 18 only, 18 likes only. Attendance తీసుకోమ్మా తేజల్, take attendance. Still 5 more are there to click on. Still 2 more are there. They don't want that. Thank you Vivek, thank you Tulsi, thank you Sham. Bye.